use social media or your website to promote your events or conferences? If that's you, I want you to keep watching because I'm going to share 3 tips that will help you to make it easier for your audience to say yes to your next event. I host a 60-second rundown, and each week we curate events across the city for young professionals. And what we found is that most people, because whether it be that your events are so amazing and you're focusing on the experience, that you miss the fundamental detail of putting the date on the home page of your website. I know, ludicrous, right? But it's so true. We have found like 3 out of the last 5 events that we have just in searching to add them to our 60-second rundown. It took so long for us to find the date. We had to scroll and scroll, and even then it was at the bottom. The date should be the first thing that we see on your home page, especially if you've got a big conference and if there's a big ask behind that conference as well. So make sure that you up-level the date across all platforms. Are you sharing photos and videos from your last event? Or if this is a first-time event, from past events that you've hosted, because you've got to think about it. This is social proof. You're telling your audience that we do this and we do this well. Or when you come to this conference, you'll see these kinds of people, you'll be entertained, and just because people are visual, they want to see, they want to experience it before they even go there. Think about it. The last time you booked a trip, was it just based purely off of word of mouth? Or did you go on Instagram or go to Travelocity or look at some hotels? What is it that really spoke to you? It was most likely the photos, probably some reviews, but photos and videos of other people's experiences. Who, what, where, when, why? Answer those questions off the bat. Let that information be up front and center so that those people who you don't have to push hard to sell because they're already in your demographic, they're already your target audience, they just need to know those pertinent details and they're already ready to go to the checkout. So you want to make sure that you answer those succinctly and keep it simple. Simon? The bonus is if you do not have the resources to have someone manning a telephone line or a voicemail or even an email address, create an FAQ page, a frequently asked question page. That way, questions that you find people tend to ask a lot of the time, you're able to just answer them in one place and make sure that you make that easy for them to find, because there's nothing more frustrating than wanting to learn more about an event or a conference that you really want to go to and you're unable to have your questions answered. So make it easy for your audience. Thanks for watching. I'm Liberty, and if you have any questions or you need help putting together your video marketing plan for your next event, feel free to send us a message or email us hello@chozenmedia.co, and we'll see you next time with more video marketing tips. Bye.